Well, in my shed you can go Chinese, CQ9325. Good cheap little lathe for about $1,100. It served me well over the years. Or you can go Schaublin 102, early model, mid-30s, one of the first lathes they made. This is the one I got in a totally run-down condition, and I've been right through it, and it's looking very nice. It's a honey. And it may be old, but it's certainly got that style about it. And it should be pretty accurate. I've put a lot of time and effort into getting the all the slides all back to scratch, all scraped. You can see the back. You can see I've made an indexing pin for it, that was missing. And the little oil caps turned out quite nice as well. So it's a matter now of build up the drive system, clean up the chuck, fully install the drive system and the thrust washers on the spindle, which is good to go. So that will be something, considering it's taken me quite a while to get this far. I'll go around the back. Here's the rear view. You can see there's plenty of room for the drive system, and you can see that certain Schaublin style about it, and it's looking good. The blue stand actually, yeah, doesn't look quite as leery as I thought it would. So that's the back. This is the intermediate pulley that came with it, but it's not how it was when I got it, because the end was all the big end you're looking at was totally porous, and I've machined all that back, and I've sleeved on a replacement high-speed belt pulley, so that is not original. This part here is all new. That's sweated on to the pulley that came, the original pulley once I machined the centre down. So this is actually sweated on. I could pin it, but I don't think it's necessary because I had to use a press to get it on. So that came up quite nice, and I'll use that to build the drive system back to basically how it would have been in the old days. And down here we have an old half horsepower motor from the same era as the lathe, 1930s, 40s maybe, and it's got a nice brass plate on the other side of it. It's as heavy as hell, but it rotates in the right direction, and it's a capacitor start, so I'll probably paint all that up black, polish up the brass, and use that as the motor. I think a half horsepower would be probably enough. This one will be doing relatively small work. I won't be doing anything real heavy on it. And they're not built for really heavy stuff anyway. They're a toolmaker's lathe, so hopefully that motor will have enough oomph to do the job. I think it will. So that's the plan. See you next time.